Hello friends, welcome to Kids Time. Today, we're going to learn shapes. Are you ready? Let's go. First circle. This is a circle. Can you say circle? Circle. A circle is round and has no corners, just like a ball or a pizza. Can you find something circle-shaped around you? 2. Square. Here comes a square. A square has 4 sides that are all the same, like a window or a cracker. How many sides does a square have? That's right, 4. 3. Triangle. Look at this triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners, just like a slice of pizza or a traffic sign. Can you count the sides? 1, 2, 3. 4th rectangle. Here's a rectangle. It has 4 sides too, just like a square, but 2 sides are long and 2 are short. Example, a door is shaped like a rectangle. 5. Oval. This is an oval. It looks like a stretched out circle, just like an egg. Have you seen an oval before? Maybe at breakfast? 6. Diamond. Wow, a diamond! It has 4 sides like a square, but it looks like a kite. A diamond shape is fun to spot in the sky or in sparkly jewelry. Can you flap your arms like a kite flying in the wind? 7. Pentagon. Here comes a pentagon. It has 5 sides, just like the shape of some houses or a superhero's shield. Let's count the sides together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Hexagon. Say hello to the hexagon. It has 6 sides like the cells in a beehive. Buzz like a bee and count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 9th crescent. Look at this sleepy crescent moon. It's shaped like a banana or the moon at bedtime. Can you make a crescent shape with your arms? Like this. 10th octagon. Here's an octagon. It has 8 sides, just like a stop sign. Let's count the sides together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octagons are strong and bold. 11th star. Shiny and bright. It's a star. A star has 5 points and looks like something from the night sky or a magic wand. Can you sparkle like a star? Twinkle, twinkle. 12. Heart. Ah, it's a heart. A heart is the shape of love and kindness. You might see hearts on cards or candy. Can you make a heart with your hands? Game time. Great job, friends. Let's play a quick shape game. I'll show a shape, and you guess what it is. What shape is this? Circle. And this? Square. How about this one? Triangle. Here's a tricky one. Hexagon. What about this shining one? Star. And this lovely shape? Heart. Happy song and dancing shapes. You did an awesome job learning shapes today. Remember, shapes are everywhere. Look around and see how many you can find. Circle, square, triangle too. Shapes are fun for me and you. Hearts and stars, ovals so wide. Shapes are fun. Come on, let's slide. Diamonds, hexagons, moons that glow. Shapes are everywhere you go. Octagons stop us, pentagons stand. Let's give shapes a big hand. Thanks for watching Kids Time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning.